What's going on, everyone? Hope everybody's doing all right. Today I just wanted to review the DRAGONTOUCH Vision 3 Pro 4K Ultra HD action cam I got from Amazon. It's a 16 megapixel camera at 4K recording. It's 30 frames per second. It's a touch screen and it's Wi-Fi enabled. There you go, there's the back. I'll actually put a video on the side over here so you can see the specs up close. But just gonna open this up and we're gonna go through it together. So here we go. So there's the camera. Looks pretty cool. Looks like it's already got the case connected to it. So this is my very first. This is gonna be my very first action cam that I bought like this. I did a lot of research and found this one had really good ratings, and I wanted something that's going to record in 4K as well. And I was thinking about getting a GoPro. So after my research and reading up reviews and watching videos and seeing images of this camera, I decided to go with this and save me a couple $100 rather than going for the GoPro. Right now we're just going to go through how it looks and see if it even has a charge on it. I'll try to turn it on, see how the touchscreen functions and stuff like that, and go through all these little gadgets that it came with. So I'm going to go through all these little gadgets we have here. I'm going to see if it has a charge on it, and then I'll try to take a quick video and put it somewhere in this video, so that you guys can see the quality comparison for yourself. So this is the actual camera itself. I'd say it looks pretty cool, but SD card is not included. So I did purchase me a 32 gigabyte SD card. Okay. Let's see, what's this? Looks like some type of Velcro strap. Okay, so it's just, yeah, like I said, just some Velcro straps here. I'm guessing just to if you mount it on something, or maybe just you could tie these around it and give some extra grip. I have no idea. I'm just saying that. I probably should have looked through the instructions first, but I'm just kind of freestyling here. All right. These are, okay, so these are, looks like some type of mounts. How would you connect them? Okay, so they kind of just snap. You slide it in, it'll snap on right there, and it has an adhesive here. I'm sure you just peel it off, and you can stick that mount on anything you want, and then to take it off, does it adjust? Yeah, so it goes up and down, and to take it off, it looks like these two little latches right here. You squeeze it and then pull it out. Okay, so it comes with two of those, and then this is a looks like a handlebar mount. Okay, so you would take this off. I think you use this screw right here. Take this off, take this whole piece off, slide this in there, unscrew these notches, and then you can put it in on your handlebar. Okay, that's pretty cool. I actually bought a whole new a whole new kit that comes with all these things too, but with like 30 other things that I might go through on another video. A battery charger. Does it come with 2 batteries? Yeah. So it actually comes with 2 batteries. Not sure what the battery time is on these. 3.7 volt batteries, 2 of them, and the charging station is a 2. So you can charge them both at the same time. And it's like an Android plug-in, so I'm sure everybody has one of those. But it also comes with one if you don't. Let's see. So this has more adhesive pads right here. Looks like double-sided adhesive pads. Okay, and then a cleaning cloth and some zip ties. Alright, and then we have another strap here. I'm thinking this is a wrist strap, maybe for the camera itself or for this. I think it's for this. And this is a little controller, so if you want to start recording, you hit the gray button, and pictures is the red button. Alright, and this little guy, what is this? Oh, is this just another, not sure what this is. I'm guessing maybe it's a extra back piece. I don't know, it kind of looks like it, but it doesn't have the same grooves. These little windows right here, but they're enclosed. Are they? No, it just has a film over it, but they're open windows right here. So, I don't know, not 100% sure. Alright, so I just took everything out of the packages so you get a better look. I'm going to take the protective film off the camera itself. Alright, so I was trying to figure out how you open this. You actually flip it from the front right here. Okay, that's going to release that. And then I believe you just, yep, pop that open. There's the actual camera in there. And there's another little film right here. Let's take that off. Okay. Here's the camera by itself without the case. Pretty nice looking. Oh, there's another film on this. Take this one off. Alright, so the battery goes in right here at the bottom. You just get that little latch open. And I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so the battery's gonna line up with those. So you, that right there. Just close it back up. Okay, and then SD card slot will go right there. Matter of fact, give me 1 second, let me go grab it. The SD card goes in this way. Okay, so there's the front of the camera. SD card goes upside down, and then slide it on in, and it should easily click in too, right? Why does it click? Okay, so I got my battery and the SD card in. Let's see if it has a charge on it at all. So there's the power. Guessing you hold it down. No? Holding it down. Nothing. Looks like I might have to charge it, guys. So I'm gonna hook it up to a charger and I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I charged it for about 10 minutes, but I realized something. There's the power button right there. I was pressing this. I'm an idiot. So let's try this now. Okay. So I'm holding that. Okay, there it goes. It's in 4K recording. Let's see what this does. My card does not meet the requirements. So you want to format. Yes. Oh. Okay, so I figured it out. I was having issues with the SD card. It was saying it needed to be formatted, but then it still wouldn't work. It was giving me a plugin error. So I had another one. I went ahead and switched it out, and this one's working fine. So I'm gonna get some footage, some real-time action footage with this action cam, which I'm excited to try out. I don't know, it's a little dark out here, so I don't know how the quality of the video will be, but let me turn it on. But we're gonna try it out. My son's gonna get on his ATV, and we're gonna do some real-time action footage. So I'll be right back.
I'm away. I'm away. I'm a 1-to-1. I could never be you. Low me tools, no, I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no, I hate these dudes. I'm a 1-to-1. I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single, let go, keep it back.
Alright guys, well that's it for me. Hopefully this video helped you out, helped you get a closer look at this product, and maybe if you were considering getting it or not, it helped you make that decision. If you are interested in it, I'll make sure to drop a link down below. Please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel, because I'm going to be doing reviews like this every week, and commenting down below if there's something that you rather see me do different, or have any constructive criticism. I don't mind it at all. It's only going to help me in the long run. And that's it for me, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.